What's up, everybody? Elite Early Bird break 3563. We are full. Where you at, Miles? Dice roll. We're going 7 times again. Lucky 7 tonight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Again, 7 times there. 5 and 2. 7 here as well. The Detroit Lions up top. Buffalo Bills to the bottom. Trev, you guys going to have the game on? Will we have the game on there Thursday? 7 times on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Again, 5 and 2 is 7 here as well. Matt up top. Craig Southard at the bottom. Again, let's sort them out alphabetically. They all sorted that time. Cardinals did sort up top. Let's print it. I'll send out a notification, guys, and we rip. Good luck. Again, guys, there's early birds on the site. You can take as many as you want there. You can take as many in the birds as you want. Again, just sending out these notifications. And then we rip. Again, guys, good luck here. Elite Early Bird. Let me grab a box. Good luck here. Again, guys, take those spots on the website. It's going to be a good one. Again, good luck here. Let's turn them over and be easier that way. Who you guys liking the game Thursday? Chiefs or Lions? A lot of Chiefs fans probably. Chiefs or Lions? KC all day, says Jay. I think the Chiefs are at home, aren't they? At Kansas City. Again, guys, take your spots on the website. A lot of breaks close to going. 3507, that's 2020. Select FOTL, that's under 10 spots left. That's going to hit the screen. We'll fill if we have to. It's already on the screen. I'll put the PYT up as soon as we get that break off. 3510 is the other half case of encased. And no big QBs came out of that first half. No Purdy, no Pickett. Nothing big out of that first 4 boxes. Got green to 93. Of Fehoko. Jaden Reed to 999 pack. First auto Back to the Future. Travis Etienne Jr. to 49. Jags. Jacksonville on the board. Jeremy Vardaman. There you go, Jeremy. Chiefs. Everybody says Chiefs. You know what that means? That means the Lions may not win, but they'll cover. Tyree Wilson on the rookie. Star status of Joey B. 83 out of 99 Bengals. Cincy. Going to Matty Ice. Again, guys, take your spots on the website. If you're just hopping on, there are a lot of breaks close to filling. Broderick Jones. For the Steelers. What's over that sleeve? Die cut to 83 out of 99 of Drew Sanders. $98 out of 99 Jalen Carter. Sauce. Playmakers of Lambjack. High Life of Thomas. Aiden O'Connell to 399 Raiders. Filler. Again, we hit a dual auto out of this stuff. Favre and Rodgers last night. Olave Playmakers. Devin Achane. Don't know yet what it is. Elitist of Josh Allen. T. Higgins. I seen something on him on the internet today. He was signing autographs at an autograph signing. He thought he was done. He went outside and there was like a line, a pretty long line yet. And he noticed and he asked a couple people if they were still in line. Skornowski, and so he goes back in and he finishes up his autograph signing to 375 to a Tagovailoa. That's pretty sweet of him. He didn't know there was still a line. There was still a bunch of people outside to get his autograph. So he takes the time, goes back in and signs all the rest of them. Pretty cool. $399 Josh Allen. He's a pretty cool dude. I think Trevor's a big fan of his. Tua. Michael Pittman to 399. Passing the torch, Jalen Hurts. 3 out of 25. Guys, this elite is pretty damn good this year. I'll say that. The autos are pretty nice. They did really good with the autos in this stuff. So there's some stuff, like some product of this still on the site. It should be moving fairly quick. A rookie on deck of Tank. Yeah, it was pretty cool. You can find it on the internet, Trevor. I just seen it. I seen it earlier scrolling through there. Darnell Wright to 49. Bears. I think he was like, oh, hell no, and he went back in. He had no clue there were still people out there waiting to get in to see him. Derrick Henry, 17 out of 349 field vision. Again, guys, that's the break. Thanks for the fill. We'll do a recap. Again, guys, jump on the site. A lot of breaks close. I'll let you know what's close after this recap. Couple pretty nice autos. We did not get a Pen Pals in this one. Field vision. Passing the torch. Jalen Hurts, 3 out of 25. Tua Tagovailoa on the Moxie. 99 Burrow and ETN to 49. Again, guys, that's the break. Thanks for the fill. get the screen updated, we'll get the orders input, and we'll get right into the next break. Let's put up 3564 XR bird. I'm not sure if it's a bird. Let me make sure. There's just 8 left here. XR bird. It's break number 3564, guys. Has just 8 left. Again, 8 left here. Top Series 1's going to run next. Again, you can take as many as you want in the early birds. There's 8 left there, 8 left. 17 per. That's break 3564. Let me update the site. Again, guys, take those spots on the website. A lot of stuff. Michael Kennedy hopping in to 3572. It's a 2-boxer of Topps Chrome. Again, guys, we're trying to find some more of the Cosmic, but that stuff is tough. Again, guys, grab those spots on the site. I'm going to get the next break set up. Let me get Nate's name right.